The next device used is actually called as switches. Now see, this animation shows you how actually switch works. Here, just like hubs, it also contains multiple ports. Each station or each segment is connected to a separate port. But the difference between hub and switch is, whenever the hub received any data in a port, it just broadcasts it. So network traffic may occurs. But in switch, whenever the data is transmitted to a port, it identifies the destination port and send it over only that port. It never broadcasts over any other ports. So the network traffic is less. If you want to connect a different computers or a network segment, we are generally using switch. These switches are more intelligent than hubs because they are work on a data link layer, that is second layer of the OSI model. The switch receives the data in the form of data frame. Whenever it receives the data in the data frame, the data frame contains the address of the destination. It is in the form of MAC. MAC means a physical address of the computer. This address is unique in each computer. This address is stored in the NIC, means network interface card of each computer. So whenever it receives this MAC address, that is destination address, it identifies in which port the destination address is connected, because it already maintains one table. Okay, the address table is maintained here. Whenever it just receive the frame, it identifies in which port it has to send and transmit the data only over that port. Means it will identify the destination address and transmit it over only that port. So it is a little bit intelligent one. To transmit the data over a particular port, this switch maintains the MAC address table here. Okay, and it in table it is mentioned which port which device is connected. Assume that a node A sends data to node C. The data transfer from node A reaches the switch from port 1 in the form of data frame. The switch then reads the destination MAC address, and from the list of MAC address, the switch knows that the data is meant for node C. As node C is associated with port number 3, the switch forwarded the data only to port 3. The data is actually converted back into signal and transmitted to node C.